The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is set to arrive earlier than expected, and while we are yet to hear anything about it from the company, we just got our first look at the Galaxy Z Fold 5, courtesy to OnLeaks, who shared a 360-degree videos and a 5K renders of the foldable smartphone. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 looks almost identical to its predecessor Fold 4, and at first glance, you might not be able to tell the two phones apart. However, upon closer inspection, you can notice that the LED flash placed inside the camera island on the Z Fold 4 is now located on the right side of the top camera of the Z Fold 5. While the design remains largely unchanged from the last year, the hinge mechanism will be the most notable difference this year. The Fold 5 is rumored to use a droplet style hinge to reduce the gap when the smartphone is folded and hide the display crease when it's unfolded. Honestly, this is going to be one of the biggest improvement if the crease problem has been solved and the durability is going to be enhanced. We have to wait and see how Samsung is going to be handling the IPX rating, and this year it is expected that Samsung might actually introduce dust resistance as well for the foldable devices for the first time. And the source claims that there is going to be a reduction in the size and the thickness of the Fold 5, which is going to be not noticeable based on leaks and rumors. The source also claims that the Z Fold 5 folding screen will remain 7.6-inch screen diagonal, while the outer screen diagonal will be 6.2-inch, which means that it is going to be almost same as the Fold 4 display. But since the Fold 5 is coming with reduced dimension, the bezels will be thinner. Internally, it will be coming with the same Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, and we hope that it's going to be even better in terms of the battery consumption. And for the battery, it's going to be same as the last year, and same charging speed of 25 watt is coming this year as well. No changes in here. We are also expecting the same camera sensor as the last year based on leaks and rumors coming from multiple credible sources that it's going to be remaining the same camera sensor as the last year. Honestly, I was hoping that Samsung will introduce a new camera sensors for the foldable devices, considering they are costing around $1,700, which is going to be a massive amount. And surely, personally, I want Samsung that they should include a bigger battery, a fast charging speed, and a battery camera system inside their device. Anyway guys, the Z Fold 5 is rumored to go official in July alongside with the Z Flip 5, so expect to hear more about these folding smartphones in the coming weeks. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.